A mini facelift combines liposculpture and a surgical lift. It's a less invasive procedure than a deep facelift, and the purpose is to try and tighten and elevate the lower part of the face and neck. Because it's less invasive, there's going to be less risk and patients can get back to work a lot quicker. The mini facelift is a procedure to remove the excess skin from the face and neck, and also tightening and contracting of the loose facial muscles. Have a look at this patient. With aging, patients lose the fat and collagen, and that causes sagging. The muscle becomes lax and droops, and the skin becomes wrinkled and loose. And you can particularly see it on the lower face. On the post photo, we've got a tighter, more rejuvenated appearance. The incision for a mini facelift is essentially just around the ear. We try to reduce the scars by putting the cut right on the edge of the ear and in fact going behind the cartilage in the middle of the ear so that the scars are much less visible. The skin is elevated using a liposculpture procedure, and the liposuction removes all the fat from the neck, giving a very tight angle to the jaw. The muscles are sutured in layers, and that elevates and tightens the whole facial tissue. The benefits of a mini facelift is that there's an immediate result. The patient has a choice of local or general anaesthetic. There's less scarring, less risk, and less recovery time. But most importantly, it's a natural result. It's discreet and it avoids that pulled or startled appearance. The most serious risk of any facelift procedure is nerve damage, but this is very rare with a mini facelift because we're operating on a superficial layer. All surgery has a risk of swelling, bruising, and infection. There will be some minimal scarring and a bit of bunching of skin behind the ear which will settle. The mini facelift is a popular procedure for men and women. On average, it takes about 2 hours, and patients like it because it gives them a natural result. They don't look like somebody else or a different person. It gives a very tight appearance to the lower face and a sharp angle to the neckline. It re-establishes how they looked maybe 10 years ago. It gives them back what they had.